Hey guys, welcome to Ernest Reviews. This is Ernest Felix here, and today I'll be happy to talk to you about AppZilo. The sales page of AppZilo says it is the world's number one and the fastest one-click iOS as well as Android mobile app builder, which comes at a very low and a one-time price. Okay, you can see here it's a brand new Click Cloud app which lets you convert, even if you have an existing website, you can convert that into an iOS or an Android app. And you can do it unlimited mobile apps. And you can do it right from the scratch. Whether you are experienced or if you are a newbie, still you will be able to do it using AppZilo. You can also sell unlimited apps to online clients and local businesses because you get the commercial license along with this. Now this AppZilo is going live today, the 17th of October at 10 a.m. EST, that is just few hours from now. Now, what is AppZilo all about? Do you have a personal or your own business mobile app? And do you know anyone who does not? Every business needs a mobile app in 2022. Do you know why? Because mobile app is to showcase your business. A mobile app is a digital store to sell your product. It's a digital e-commerce store to sell products. And a mobile app with a blog to spread a message. So few developers have made a fortune on Upwork creating mobile apps for others. So do you want to learn too how you can profit from creating and selling mobile apps for iOS as well as Android to local businesses without an app developer or a designer? You can do it all by yourself. Then AppZilo is launching today, and this is the product for you. Grab it today and you can quickly and easily create professional mobile apps for iOS and Android like a pro without being able to code or being mobile app designer or using a keyboard for yourself or your client and sell them for thousands of dollars. So you'll be blown away by AppZilo. Right friends, now let's get in to the funnel information. After the funnel information, after you know what price you'll have to pay, then we'll go into the demo of the product, and then we'll go into the sales page, and we'll go to my bonuses, and then we'll conclude. So here's the front end. There's an option 1 with a commercial license. This is $17, and you also get a discount of $3. So the actual price of the front end of AppZilo will be $14 for you. So you have a fully cloud-based app builder. You can create unlimited iOS and Android apps, build your own app development agency, compatible with WordPress as well, inbuilt web page builder, create unlimited web page and apps, send unlimited push notification to any offers, high converting done for you app templates, high converting done for you web page templates, simple one-click installation, commercial license included. Along with this, you also get 5 fast action bonuses that comes with the front end itself. You get dedicated support, create Chrome desktop app as well, no app store, Play Store approval required. You can straight away go ahead and you can start doing your apps. GDPR ready, QR code generator, Google Ads, no monthly fee whatsoever, one-time payment only, and SSL encryption keeps your apps secure. All this for just $14, $17 with a discount of $3 you get for $14 today. Right? Now then, if you want to go for the OTO 1, then you have the AppZilo Pro, which will cost you $37, and there are two options here. Option 1, that is the Pro version, is $37, and you can get unlimited web hosting, unlimited clients, unlimited traffic and sales, unlimited revenue. Okay, you also get 2000 plus stock media assets with regular licenses. You can remove all the limitations. Then there is a downsell for the same, that is option 2 for AppZilo Lite, which will cost you $27, that is $10 cheaper, and this there is a limited version. It's a limited version of the Pro version. It is having a limited web hosting, limited clients, limited traffic and sales, and limited revenue. If you are happy with the front end and if you want to go in for the OTO 1, I would rather recommend $37 Pro version with the unlimited edition rather than for $10 don't go in for the limited version. Then you have also the OTO2 AppZilo host, which will cost you $37, and you have here next generation video hosting technology. Upload and store and publish all your videos in just one click. Loom-like videos and screen recording, 2000 plus premium HQ stock assets. So these are the other things what you'll be getting along with that. And then you have the OTO3, which is AppZilo Enterprises, which will be costing you $37. It is all-in-one marketing suite. Also, it shares apps and websites on social media platforms. Then you have the OTO4, wherein you'll be able to get the Done For You edition for $37. 50 Done For You products to sell and unlimited reseller license. OTO5 is $67. This is reseller unlimited license. You can sell it to anyone you want and keep 100% of the profit in your pocket on the main product. No product, no sales page, material creation, nothing. You'll be able to get it for $67, the unlimited license. And you also have the OTO6. This is the white label, which will cost you $97. Removes AppZilo branding, add your own logo and name, add your own branding, and sell it as your own product. This includes 30-day money-back guarantee. And not only that, the developers are so sure about their product, they say that if you fail, they will give back $200 to you. What else do you require? So this is what AppZilo all about. So next we'll come to my bonuses, my friend. Once you click on the link below and buy AppZilo from me, you'll also get these exclusive bonuses from me. Bonus number 1, effective content marketing. Learn the same content marketing techniques the pros use to make more money easier. 2, SEO and ranking tracking tactics. Get the insider tips on the tools you need to track your SEO ranking like a pro. Bonus number 3, Google Display Network hacks. Learn how to drastically increase your traffic with Google Display Network. Bonus number 4, killer blogging conversion tips. Learn the secrets to increase your blogs and conversions with these proven tips. And apart from this, you also get the fast action bonus from the vendor AppZilo. So these are the bonuses what you'll be getting once you click here and buy it from me. You can access all this in Warrior Plus Access Affiliate Bonus over here. Now let's go to the demo and have a look at the demo before you decide to buy AppZilo. Thank you. So that was a short video of the demo, my friends. Now let's have a quick look at the sales page. We'll click here and go to the sales page and see what is there in the sales page. Right, what I've explained is all over here. Create your own app and your own app development agency in just three easy steps. This is my friend Ayush Jain and Pranshu Gupta, the developers of AppZilo. So here's it. Let us hand your biggest money making opportunity on earth. And all this 100% newbie friendly, done for you, and 200 refund if it doesn't work for you. It will. That is the confidence what they have. So how? Simple, by tapping into the fastest growing industry on earth right now. Here's a list of all potential niche you can start getting clients and collecting checks. Affiliate marketers, e-commerce stores, email marketing, video marketers, coach and consultants, small business owners, architects, financial advisors, painters and decorators, counselors, divorce lawyers, carpet cleaners, hotels, car rental and taxi, florist, attorney, locksmith, real estate. You have a whole bunch of them all over here. We are not done yet. So these are the bonuses that you'll be getting. The fast action bonuses: email marketing done for you, business with PLR rights, progressive list building done for you, businesses with PLR rights. Then you get the affiliate marketing made easy, auto video creators, create your own professional videos. Here's a 30-day money back guarantee. If you fail or if you do not like the product, you can get back your money. So this is the final call for a one-time purchase. Go ahead and buy AppZilo. If you feel that the product is not good, you not only get your money back, but you can also take $200 free for the time you have wasted checking out on AppZilo. Convincing? If it is, then just go ahead and grab AppZilo today. That's it, friends. My review has ended over here. Go ahead and buy it. And if you like my review, just give me a like and also share my video to your friends. Last but not the least, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot. See you in my next. Bye.